Hi class, and thank you for watching this video. So today we're going to be talking about a resource you can use from home if you're struggling with your math skills. So here we are on the website. It's called mathgames.com. Super great interactive way to learn math skills and to make math fun. So as you can see at the top of the page, you can click on grades, skills, games, standards, worksheets, and down here, grades, skills, games, worksheets. So if you scroll down the page, you can see the practice math games. Here's all the games you can choose. Math Slither is great for addition and subtraction, and you can practice with any of these. It will ask you when you touch them what skill you want to be working on, and then it will make a game for you. If you go down the page, you can practice math by grade, and you can choose your level. As you can see, you can choose a level from pre-kindergarten all the way up to 8th grade. And so you can use this skill for a very long time. This online website you can use all the way through 8th grade. So we would probably choose 3rd grade since that's my class level. And then once you choose your grade level, it will give you a list of topics. And whichever one you're struggling with, you can click and play some games. It will give you some math sheets, worksheets. So as you can see, it says geometry, subtraction, multiplication, time, and the list goes on and on. And so underneath each topic, like multiplication, it'll give you different things that you can work on. So multiplication by 10, multiplication with pictures. And so this is really great. You can click on any of these and it'll give you some games. It'll tell you what the right answer is. It'll work you through all your problems. Super fun way to learn math. And there's tons of different tools you can use on this website. It's a really, really great resource that you guys can use from home, in the library, wherever you guys want. And so I encourage you to look into this website. It's called mathgames.com and learn some math in a really fun way. So thank you for watching. This is the website I was hoping you guys would give a try. It's super fun, super interactive, and I love it. I think it's really helpful. So have a good day, rest of the class, and learn some math.